Hey guys, it's Mike at Affiliates Blue Vine Farm. What the hell is going on? You're not gonna believe what just happened. Find out coming up. Hey guys, it's Mike at Affiliates Blue Vine Farm. Today we thought we were going to get some work in, and it started raining and then it started hailing. Climate change is definitely a real thing, and just a few seconds ago, and now it's still wrapping down, we had a sudden hail, which wasn't in the forecast. Now, what exactly does this mean? Well, a lot of you guys have already got those luscious tomato plants out and some other things out in your garden, and so a lot of damage is going to be caused by that hailstorm that we just received. In fact, you'll probably lose all of those plants that you put out. And so this means there will be more people looking for plants, so it's a great opportunity to go and get some more plants. Right now, we'll be having a plant sale at the end of the month if you wanted to come on down to Affiliates. But just wanted to point out the fact that, again, you always want to wait a little bit before you put your plants out, because you never know, in fact, what will happen as the weather gets more and more unpredictable. And this is a great example right now. Just a few seconds ago, we had hail in Kansas City, Missouri. So we're halfway through April, and we just received a hailstorm in Kansas City. It was quite remarkable. But again, you always want to err on the side of caution and not put those tomato plants, especially out a little bit too early, because you can get some unpredictable weather in the Midwest, and you can end up losing all of your plants. So again, I'm Mike at Affiliates Blue Vine Farm. We're going to continue to get some stuff cleaned out here, some stuff planted, some stuff fertilized, and do what we do. But I just wanted to take a break and then talk a little bit about the sudden hailstorm that we just had, and what that means for you and your plants. So again, Mike at Affiliates Blue Vine Farm, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.